What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how I make $300 a day posting memes that only take me 5 minutes a day to do. Literally, only 5 freaking minutes, right? While you guys are out here at a job for 9 to 5 working, $100 a day, maybe $50, but we're talking $400 a day for just posting memes, right? So in this video, we're gonna be explaining how I do it, right? So pretty much I get the memes, right? And then what I do is I overlay it with a background, right? And then guess what? I add a trending sound and I post it. And let's say it gets 5 million views or 10 million views. I make 3-4 grand, right? And that's just on one video, right? But it's literally that easy, guys. If you guys want to learn more on how I do this, check out the link in my description and I'll teach you guys on everything on how to do it. And the blueprint, 4K clips on how to make your own meme page, and as well as a whole meme pack on how to do it. Or there's 100 meme packs, 100 viral 4K clips you guys can use to copy and paste, as well as a blueprint on how to do it and the strategy and methodically how to go viral. All right, guys, well, I'll see you guys there. Super excited for you guys to join if you guys are ready, and it's only 20 bucks. Check it out below, link in the description. I'll see you guys.